In today's video, I'll show you how to make a photo black and white on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. We'll be using the Google Photos app for this. It should already be on most Android devices, so search for it on the apps page to find it. If you can't find it, you can get the Google Photos app from the Play Store, or use your phone's other built-in Photos app, which might be called Gallery, as the method will be similar. Within the Photos app, you may need to give certain permissions if this is the first time opening it. After this, find the photo you want to make black and white and select it. Now choose the pencil or edit icon at the bottom on the photo, and this will open the editor. The easiest way to make it black and white is to choose the color tab at the bottom and then select saturation. You can drag this all the way down to make the image black and white. This layout may differ slightly in some versions of the app, but the saturation option should be here somewhere. You may now want to further customize the image, for example by changing the brightness, contrast or sharpness. Once you're happy with the edit, choose Save as Copy. This will leave the original photo as it is, but give you this edited one as a separate image. That's how to make a photo black and white on your Android phone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.